Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create desktop shortcut. So I'm going to show you the three way you can easily create shortcut for your desktop. First I'm going to open start menu and here you can see many apps. Simply drag these apps on your desktop like this. This is the first method you can easily create shortcut for your desktop. And the second method, you need to open your folder. From here, right click on your folder, or if you have any apps or any note with anything, you can create shortcut. Simply right click on it and send to desktop create shortcut. So I'm going to select this one and close this one. So you can see my two shortcut. These are two methods, and I'm going to show you the third method. Right click on your desktop and go to new. From new go to shortcut, and here you can see what item would you like to create a shortcut for. So you need to select your file type. From here you can see my apps. So I'm going to select this one and click on OK and go to next. My shortcut is appear in here. So in this way you can easily create shortcut in your desktop. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.